Hi, I'm Amir Akbarali and this is a 1935 SS1 Airline Saloon. The SS1 was produced between 1934 to 1936 and is one of the last few cars SS made before it changed its name to Jaguar. This particular car was made in 1935 and there were around 600 of these pieces made. It has a 2.6 litre 6-cylinder inline straight engine and it's capable of producing about 20 horsepower and has a top speed of 80 miles an hour, which is just shy under 130 kilometers. The car was initially registered in 1935 by Ratan Kumar Nehru in Marble Beach, London, which he then later sold to his cousin Jawaharlal Nehru, who later became the Prime Minister of India. Nehru owned the car for 2 years and in 1937 he gave it to his close friend P. Saravanamuttu, who was a known civil servant and is known for his association with the Tamil Union Cricket Club. He was the person to bring it to Sri Lanka. When we found the car, it was in several pieces which are packed in suitcases. The previous owner of the car didn't want his parents finding out about it, so he dismantled it and kept it in pieces in his garage. After purchasing the car, it took around 7 years to fully restore it to its original condition, and it's been a part of our family ever since. I would recommend getting into classic cars as usually in Sri Lanka they contain a lot of history, and to me they are more than just pushing a button and driving off. There's much more to it, so I would definitely recommend it.